Sending a confidential document over email without password protection is digital recklessness. Whether it is a client invoice, a legal contract, or a file full of passwords, if that email gets intercepted or forwarded to the wrong person, your data is completely exposed. Welcome back to Tony's Tech Studio. I'm Tony. When I am sending sensitive project files from my studio setup, I don't leave anything to chance. Today, I am going to show you the best method to lock down your WPS Office documents with heavy encryption, so that absolutely no one can open them without your permission. Let's get your files secured. First, open up the exact document, spreadsheet, or presentation you want to protect inside WPS Office. Look at the top left corner of your screen and click the menu button. In the drop-down list, hover your mouse over Document Encryption, or Protect, depending on your exact layout, and then click directly on Encryption. A small security window will pop up, and this is where you have total control. You will see two distinct options here, and you need to understand the difference between them. Document password, password to open. This is your primary vault door. If you type a password in here, no one can even look at the contents of the file without entering the code. Type a strong, unique password here. Password to modify. This is your secondary lock. Let's say you want a client to read a contract, but you absolutely do not want them to edit, delete, or change any of the text. You leave the open password blank, but you set a modify password. They can read it, but they can't touch it. For maximum security on confidential files, I highly recommend setting the document password. Type it in, then re-enter it in the confirmation box below. Before you hit OK, look for the Advanced button in that same window. Click it. This lets you choose the actual encryption type. By default, WPS uses standard encryption, but if you want military-grade security in 2026, make sure you select RC4, 128-bit, or higher from the drop-down menu. Hit OK. This is the step that 90% of people forget, leaving their document completely unprotected. Click OK to close the encryption window. Now, you must save the file. Hit Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac to commit that encryption to your hard drive. If you just close the app without saving, the password is not applied. Now, the next time anyone tries to open that file, they will be hit with a dead stop password prompt. Your data is officially locked down. And that's it. Your confidential documents are now strictly VIP access only. But listen, having military-grade encryption on your WPS document means absolutely nothing if the file itself looks like an unprofessional mess when they finally unlock it. If you are sending out resumes, client proposals, or business pitches, a clunky, outdated layout is going to get you rejected before they even read the first sentence. Click the video on your screen right now titled WPS Writer Free Templates. Create resumes that actually impress. I am going to show you exactly where to find WPS's hidden library of high-end free templates so you can build a stunning professional resume in minutes without ever starting from a blank page. Click right there to upgrade your document design, make sure you are subscribed to Tony's Tech Studio, and I'll see you over in that video. Drop a comment below and let me know which feature you use more often, password to open or password to modify.